Meet Alex. He's just like you. He is in the grade 5. Here he is playing with his friends in the playground. And there are some other senior kids playing as well. One of the senior student named Mike, he came to the Alex and started making fun of him. Alex is scared. He knows what to do. He thinks he can manage this problem wisely. He ran to the teacher and reported about the incident. Teacher tell Mike not to play with younger student again. Bullying is really bad. But do you know you have to be careful about bullying on the internet too? Kids who send bad text, emails or use bad languages in the comments on social media websites, they are called cyberbullies. And they can make other kids feel just as bad Alex felt on the playground. A couple of weeks after Mike got restriction to play with a younger student, he sent an email to Alex using bad word, then said a lie about Alex on the Facebook. Many kids from the school can read about it. Mike also kept sending threat in the text to the Alex about beating him. So bad. As you can see kids, Mike is cyberbullying. It's just as hurtful as bullying on the playground. Worst part about cyberbullying is it can happen anywhere. Even when Alex is at home. What should Alex do? The answer is really simple kids. Alex has to be courageous again. He should save all the messages, mails and show it to the parents. So Alex's parents can give all the evidence to the principal about Mike's cyberbullying. Now Mike is in even big trouble. This time his parents are notified and he is suspended from the school. Cyberbullying is dangerous and bad. It makes people sad and scared. If a cyberbully targets you, be courageous like Alex and tell your parents and teacher about it. It is the best way to keep internet safe. Thank you.